Hey guys, so I wanted to pop in real quick. This is a little thing that I came up with because I have a bunch of these strings. I had quite a few of these spools from a long time ago, got a big box of them at an auction. And now I'm going through stuff and lightening my load. And so these are gonna go to my sister, but I wanted to keep some of this for me. So if you find yourself in this situation, here's what you can do. I got these antique, cute little looking wood clothespins at Hobby Lobby in the wood section. And then all I've done is just jam that clothespin into my drill bit, my socket here. And I'm telling you, if you have access to deep sockets, it'll probably work much better and you'll end up with your thread higher up, but that's perfect. So this tends to wobble and it's not perfect. A deep socket would work best, but check it out. Now, one thing you can do when it does start to wobble like that is just pull a few feet off of your string and pull it out far enough if you can where it's not going to be all bunched up. This is so awkward. I like jam, and then I turn on the camera and it's like clunk, 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 clunk. Oh, by the way, this is my DeWALT rechargeable drill here, and I love this thing. I got this for Christmas last year by Greg. What a good present. I love it. Okay, so here we go. Now I've got that all loose, and I'm just gonna guide this, and then I'm gonna kill this sound and play some music for you. So yeah, I grabbed a few just to see which would fit best, and I got them in here so that they get put away where they belong. So then I just overlap with my finger, toss that in there, and look, then you have a nice little stash of these, and you don't have to be having a bunch around if you're like in the situation I'm in. And I know we find ourselves in these situations. So yeah, here's my stash. I wanted a little bit of everything, and I really love this red color. It's so lush, so I went ahead and got quite a number of those. And then the aqua, I love this too. And then here's some really thick yarn, very natural. This is like natural wool here, and this one too. But yeah, really fast way to get it done. And I hope you can put this to use, and I'll see you real soon. Have a great day.